My name's Jamie Kitchen. I'm with Danfoss, and today I want to talk to you about pressure controls. Pressure controls are used to control the pressure in a system. Take, for example, a compressor. The compressor is designed to run within a certain pressure range. Not too high, not too low. The Goldilocks zone for pressure. What the pressure control does is it is set for a specific pressure where it will open and stop something, and then another pressure value, which is called the cut-in value, that is used to bring it back on again. Some of these are automatic reset. Reset means when the contacts will change position again. So if it's automatic, it will automatically close the contacts and bring back on again whatever it stopped. Manual is used for safety purposes. Generally speaking, if something goes outside of a desired range and that is dangerous and requires a service call to fix, say for example you lose your condenser fans, this absolutely needs to be manual reset so it shuts the system down and it will not restart again until that problem is fixed. Hope you enjoyed these videos. For more information, please visit our website, danfoss.us.